I am Jody. I have myalgic encephalomyelitis. And tonight is pizza night, so I am making my house special, the Peary Farrell. Like Perry. I'm gonna start with my cold pizza dough. It's way easier to shape when it's cold. Get my bench flour, clean countertop. Flour my surface. Flour my dough a little bit, just a little. I'm just gonna kind of pry it out of there. I make 4 doughs at a time and keep any excess in the freezer. So I'm just gonna like tighten this up by pulling out and then back in, stretching it to like the midpoint here. I want it to all stick together in the center. I wanted to create some more tension here. So when you get it about looking dumplingy, I'm actually gonna flip it over and just give it some tucks to close up that butthole. Basically, it's the dough's butthole. Okay. This is an hour before I want to bake it, and I'm hoping it'll get to room temperature. It's about 74 in the house. So I'm gonna just put a little plastic wrap. I don't have a damp towel on me right now. And then I'm gonna preheat the oven to 500. I want 1 garlic clove. Just gonna smash it. Oh, there's a baby one attached. Smash a couple tablespoons of just light olive oil. Put that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Do you see what I did? 2. I'm so pleased with myself right now. My symmetry part of my brain is like so happy. Okay. And I did go back to the paring knife anyway. Beautiful. Go taste it. Could be riper, but it's good for a pizza. Putting my knee on the oven. Making very thin slices. Trying to keep them together. All right. Chef treat. There's a bowl scraper. I got a bowl scraper up here. Wow. All right, got that back to under control. So I want the butthole side to be the sauce side. You can see the remnants of it right there. It's all right. It's gonna be fine. So I'm just giving myself a moat here so I know where the crust is going to be so that I can pull from there. Just start to give it some tugs. This side is really ugly and sticky. Sourdough is ugly and sticky. All right, we're just going to sort of loosen it up. It's still too tight to stretch all the way, but we're getting it. We're going to get it. Do a few like hand moves. No, I'm not going to throw it up in the air. Hand manipulated, not hand tossed. I don't trust myself. Okay, that's about as far as that's going to reasonably go right now. So I'm going to let it rest for about 20 minutes. Okay. Ooh, sticky. Yeah. Sticky and looser. See there how it's like stretching now? It's like really stretching now. I'm gonna need some more flour down here so that I can get my peel ready. This is the launcher. Not the peel, launcher. Well, same thing, right? Fine. Okay. The cheese is in the freezer. So we're just trying to get some dough stretched. Like to go to try for 12 inches. It'd be hard with this like wet and loose sourdough. Definitely don't want to tear it. Getting oblong, and that's fine. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to measure it right now. All right, we get like 10 and a half, 11. I know it's off. It's fine. It gets stretched the rest of the way after it gets topped. All right. So actually, I'm going to just give it a little more. I'm going to rearrange this a little bit anyway. It's fine. All right. We are close to getting holes and stuff too. So, all right. I'm going to make it enough. Olive oil base goes down. Be very careful not to splash onto the heel, the launcher. So I start from the middle and go out. Right? You can totally use this garlic for the top as well. Cheese out of the freeze. We have rinsed mozzarella that is very frozen right now. All right. Now we can stretch. Okay. All right. Put my thingy away. Let's see where we're at. "11-inch pie." That's fine with me. Crumble, crumble, crumble. It's got warm fast. If you freeze it, it's easier to crumble and chunk. Okay. All right. Hairs on here. My hand's a little help. All right. Here's the reason why we did this. Oh, I did the wrong way on here. So we're just fanning them out. Not. Just make sure you got, yep. The point goes inward so that you can fit thing on. And just fan it out. Which way are we going? This way? This way. All right. Oh, wait, what did I do? I did it the wrong way. This way. This way. All right. If you want some pear in the middle, just grab like a couple of the awkward end pieces and shove them in there. Like that's cute. And then I'll just get these nicely nestled in. Still going for a single layer, but it's not very practical. Okay. Now, crucial step here, salt. Just a pinch, sprinkle over top. All right. Make sure this is gonna move on us. And it is. So one more final stretch, trying to get it as thin and big as possible. And then we will put it in the oven. Yeah, there we go. All right. And I'm gonna flip it around here. I'm just turning it 180. Just a quick 180. It's gonna get this on it. The crust is dark and we've got bubblage. So there we go. We have pizza. Put it on there. The pears got moved around a little bit. That is fine. That is all good. So it cooked for 10 minutes, rested for 10 minutes. And now we we drizzle the balsamic reduction, which really ties the whole thing together, man. How am I gonna not make a mess of this? Go through. This is your bravery test. All right, which one do I want? Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. All right. Oh, that's perfect. Sweet pears, rich cheese, sourdough crust, balsamic. What's not to like? As always, thank you for being with me. Please be excellent to yourself and excellent to each other.